Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to create backsplash at this area only. Okay, so we'll be using tiling function. First things first, you can go to customize, then go inside tiling function. Okay, then you can just double click on the wall. Okay, double click on this wall. You can see your kitchen cabinet here. Okay, you can zoom in. Alright, so make sure you know your cabinet length up here, your wall cabinet. Okay, my length is 2118. Okay, make sure you measure first. So here you can draw a rectangle at the middle space. Just draw one rectangle. Okay, and then right click to cancel. Okay, you can select the line here and adjust the length. Okay, just follow your wall cabinet length. Okay, mine is 2118. Then click enter. Okay, so you not see the line. You can drag any tile first. Just drag any tile to the rectangle so you can see the line here. Okay, you can see the tiles inside the camera. Okay, so my tiles is not aligned with the wall cabinet. Okay, you can clear first. Okay, so this one, make sure, okay, this one I adjust to 118. Click enter. Then you can drag any tiles just to see the line. Okay, so my line here is now aligned with the cabinet. Okay, then I clear out the tilings. Okay, so here I go to tile library. Okay, you can go to tile library and change to other type. Okay, I will use marble. Okay, I use this one down here. Okay, just drag inside. Okay, you can click the tiles and adjust it. Okay, you can see here, this is the tile adjustment. Okay, you can edit it. So here you can cut it to smaller size. Okay, like this. Or you can set your own sizing inside here. Okay, let's say I put 100. Click enter. Okay, then you can scroll down. Okay, you can see at the angle here, you can rotate it 45 degree. Okay, rotate 45 degree if you want. Okay, and then once you have cut it, you can right click on the tiles. Okay, right click on the tile, you can go to fill or shortcut key is F button. Okay, you can press F button on your keyboard. Okay, so it will fill out the rectangle shape. Okay, done. Then you can click complete. Okay, so we have done at this part. Next, we're going to create the same tiling at the column. Okay, we're going to create tiling at the column side, this one. Okay, just simply double click on the column. Okay, so you can see the side view of your cabinet. Okay, just draw a rectangle. Okay, make sure you remember the height of the spacer. Okay, so mine is 820. Okay, and then I use the same tiling, cut it to 100. Okay, and then you can rotate if you want. Okay, then you can just press F button. Okay, so it will fill out. Okay, F button. Then you can click complete. Okay, and then last part is the front surface here. Okay, the front column. Double click. Okay, so you will see this column side. Okay, you can draw a rectangle here. Okay, remember your height just now. Okay, mine is 820. You can select the lines here. Okay, just select the line up here and adjust the height. 820. Okay, right, done. Then you can drag tiling inside. Okay, cut it to smaller size. Okay, then press F button or right click. Okay, right click on the tile, go to fill. Okay, click complete. Okay, so it's done. This is how it looks like. Okay, so once you have done, you can click exit. Okay, every time you want to edit, you must go back inside tiling function. Okay, so you guys can try out. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.